Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into Street View quickly. Open Google Maps on your device and search the address you want. Once the map shows blue lines or a thumbnail, drag or tap the pegman to drop onto a street. This places you into Street View. Make sure the view fully loads before you move. Partial loading can block smooth zooming. If a thumbnail appears in the search card, click it. Otherwise, double-click the map image to jump straight into the panoramic view and prepare to zoom. Once in Street View, you have multiple zoom methods, so pick what fits. On desktop, scroll the mouse wheel for smooth zooming or use the on-screen plus and controls for steady steps. On touch devices, pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out. It's precise for faces or signs. Double-clicking zooms toward a specific spot, which is handy for reading text at distance. As you zoom, move the panorama slightly to keep the subject centered, because perspective changes with zoom level. Finish by refining your view. After zooming, nudge the image with arrow keys or a swipe so the point of interest sits in the center. This reduces distortion and keeps details readable. If zooming is sluggish or unresponsive, reload the page, clear your browser cache, or restart the app to reset controls. Once done, try another browser or toggle mobile versus desktop mode to rule out interface bugs. This usually fixes odd behavior and gets your zoom back to normal quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.